Good morning, ma'am. My name is J. Pranavya. My register number is UR15CS150. Today here I am going to explain uh, about protocols in Wireshark. This is the procedure of Wireshark. First, we have to start the Wireshark, and here we have to enter the URL in the browser, and but not we should not press enter, and then Wireshark starts to capture that packet, and then it accesses the website by pressing enter into the browser web page. uh, Once the page is loaded, it will stop the capture and the file will be saved, and the saved file will be displayed in the displayed as a web page. Now we will we'll see here we will see first TCP. Here TCP the source address is 192.168.2.222 and the destination address is 10.11.55.85 and the protocol is TCP. Here coming to the frames, this is the first arrival time, the day on which the first it was arrived, March 14, 2016, as per the Indian standard. And then uh, frame number is 14 and frame length is 66 bytes and capture length is also 66 bytes. And coming to Ethernet, this is the destination and this is the source, and the type we have used is IPv4, and source port is 80 and destination port is this one. Acknowledge sequence number 1 and acknowledgement number is 2. And coming to internet protocol version, here we have flags, total length, identification and flags, and then transmission control protocol, it will show the source port, destination port, TCP length, acknowledgement number, header length and flag, etc. And this is about TCP. Here they can ask questions about source address and destination address and the number of frames used and the first arriving address, everything in TCP. In UDP, first we will see in DNS. In DNS server, here it is showing the source address and destination address, and the protocol is DNS. We use DNS protocol, and in coming to the frames, here the frame number is 60 and frame length is 75 bytes and capture length is also 75 bytes. And here the first arrival time is March 14, 2016. This is the time at which the first it was arrived. And then coming to internet and the internet Ethernet. In the Ethernet, the destination is this one and source is this one, and the type we have used is IPv4. Coming to internet protocol version, total length is 61. uh, this is the identification and flags. This is the source address and this is the destination address. These are the source port, destination port numbers, and this is the length of the one. And in the DNS query, here we can see how many questions have been asked and the reply of these questions. This is about DNS. And in UDP, can be used both in DNS and NBNS protocols. Here the source address is 10.11.55.85 and destination address is 10.11.55.255, and the source address can be anything and destination can be. In frame, coming to frames, here they asked here the first arrival time is March 14, 2016, and this is in Indian Standard Time. Frame number is 16 and frame length is 75 bytes and capture length is also 75 bytes. And either coming to Ethernet, this is the destination and the source, and type is IPv4. Here the in the user diagram protocol, the source port is this one, destination port is 33 and length is 44. Here in domain, here the questions asked, the query is 1 and the answer for that destination answer, that is 0. Like this we can check for anything, and here you can ask the questions like what is the source address and destination address, and also the number of frames used and the time at which it, first one was asked, and number of queries happened, and source port and destination port. This is a good way. Thank you.